Amy Love here, and I'm coming on today to create some pockets for a journal insert that I'm making. And I am using this pack of File Cards 2 from Tim Holtz that has all this fun stuff in it. And I'm actually just going to use this accordion fold card that was in there. And we're going to decorate both sides and just fill this thing with pockets. And then it'll be able to just tuck right into a journal. So I'm going to try not to make it too bulky. We'll see how that goes. So I am going to be using the beautiful Pink Parfait kit from Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And I will put a link below to Doreen's store. This is my favorite kit. I'm excited to play with it. So I printed off some of the pages onto paper to cover this accordion card with. And I learned very quickly that you shouldn't cover the entire card with paper because it did not fold up nicely at all. So then I had to just go through and pre-cut some pieces to glue on each section so that I didn't cover the creases, so that it would still fold nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue all of those pieces and cover the card, and then we will make some pockets. All right, so I got these pockets sewn on, which I think are so cute. It's like this gold netting, and I put it on both sides, and I sewed them on. And I got this netting from Hobby Lobby on this roll from the clearance section, and I am absolutely loving it. So I got it all sewn down on all the creases, and everything is glued on, all the background paper, and then I went ahead and used my gold leafing pin to go around the entire edges. And I'm sorry to say that my gold leafing pin is now empty. I used it so much this past week. So now I'm just going to try to decorate some of the pockets just a little bit. You know, I don't want to make them too thick because I need this thing to fold up nicely. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm using a scrap piece of paper I have to kind of keep me from gluing the pocket shut. And I'm using some beautiful bits from some of Doreen's kits that I've received, which I just love those. So if you'd like to get on Doreen's Kit Club list, be sure you shoot her a message and she'll make sure you get on the waiting list for those. Those are so fun. I think we have another one coming here soon, which I am excited. I can't wait to get my hands on it. So, you know, I made this whole video talking through it and telling you all the things just to find out later that my microphone was not working. I was so bummed out, y'all. So here I am doing a voiceover. But I'm just going to go through and decorate all these pockets, and then I will show you a little walkthrough at the end when I'm all done. So here it is, all finished and so cute and ready to tuck in somewhere. And I've tied it together with this really pretty pink Chanel yarn that I think was in one of the kits I got from Doreen. I'm pretty sure it was. And I just love it so much. But look at how cute this turned out. It's adorable. It closes up really nicely. I did good about not making it too bulky. And it has these beautiful just images from the kit. So cute. Look at these. Perfect to journal on, and they're all stickled up and gorgeous, and they all have beautiful gold leafing around them. I mean, aren't they so pretty? I love how it turned out. I would love to hear what you think. Please leave me a comment below. Don't forget to go check out all the other designers on the team and follow the link below to Doreen's Etsy. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.